In this video, I'll show you how to unify a painting using simple shapes, and it's in my book, Ellen's Art for Beginners, on Amazon. The shape of your subject sends a message to the viewer, indicating the mood of the painting. So in this first one, we have a triangle on its base, so it's a symbol of stability and permanence. And fitting the camel and the rider into this triangle makes the image feel calm and solid. For the second one, the cheetah is like an inverted triangle balancing on the single point. So he must be going fast because he's so out of balance. And then finally, this tilted rectangle gives the dog apparent energy and directional movement as he's about to fall into the next part of his run. In this still life, the blue bowl and the bright oranges also form a triangle. And this is extra eye-catching because blue and orange are complementary colors. And I also use different textures. We have the smooth pottery, the bumpy orange skins, and the soft cloth. Now look at all these ways that these objects link together. Certainly by the cloth, and then also this front orange is casting a shadow onto the second orange, linking these two together. And the pot has a reflection of this orange, linking those two together. And there's a fold behind the second orange here, which goes to the pot, and that links these two together. In this picture, there are really three main spots for your eyes to land: the farmer's face, his left hand, and the right hand. We usually look at the face first, but since this face is blank, our eyes keep moving. And his left hand catches our attention because it stands out clearly against his pants. And then finally, we look at his right hand because the farmer is looking at it while he's working. If you drew a line between these three spots, they would form a triangle. Your eyes follow this invisible triangle, traveling from one point to the next. The subject in this picture forms a trapezoid, which is a four-sided figure. Two sides are parallel, and the other two sides usually converge out. So it helps keep the viewer in the painting. Sometimes a painting can look very complex, like there's a lot going on. But if you look at it closely, you can break it down into simple shapes. So the cloth makes this red rectangular shape, while the objects sitting on top make this green triangular shape. And even though they're different shapes, they overlap and fit perfectly together, making the whole drawing feel balanced. The wide, stable rectangle provides a foundation, while the triangle adds vertical energy with a clear focus. It feels like a single cohesive group rather than a collection of individual items. And the parallel lines on the cloth act as leading lines, leading you to the mug and the picture.